fitness tests. So, on the first test you took part in was a 12-minute Cooper run. This was a strength for you, as you got a result of 2,133 metres, and the average range is in between 1,800 metres to 2,199 metres, which signifies you have a good cardiovascular endurance, which is needed for your sport, which is netball, to last the whole 1 hour of the match, which shows that you have a good fitness level in this component. The second test you did was a sit and reach test. However, this was a weakness for you, as you only got 17 centimetres, and the average range is in between 29 centimetres to 32 centimetres. So, which signifies you have very poor flexibility, which could affect you in your sport, as sometimes you have to stretch out for the ball if it's a bit too far, and you might not be able to stretch out far enough for that ball, so it means you might lose some balls during your netball, which shows that you're not very fit in this component. The third test you did was the Illinois Agility Run, which was a weakness for you, again, as you got 21.96 seconds, which you're under the fair category, and this shows that you haven't got a very good agility, which is definitely needed in netball. So this could definitely affect you in your sport, as you need to be able to dodge players, get into space to receive the ball, which means that you're not very fit in this component. The fourth test you did was the hand grip test. You got 35 kg, which is a strength for you, as it's in between the average range, which suggests that you have a very good muscular strength, which will help you in a sport needed for netball, so you can have power behind that ball, have strength behind that ball, so it goes very far, nice and straight, quick enough, so it doesn't give time for any opponents to get in, which signifies you're quite fit in this component. The fifth test you did was the 30-metre sprint test. This was, however, a weakness for you, as you got 6.28 seconds, and the average range for a female is in between 4.8 to 4.7 seconds. So it suggests that you're not very fit in this component and that your speed isn't very good. This could affect you in your sport, as speed is needed in netball, so that you could sprint away from a defender so you can get that ball. So in this component you are lacking a bit, so it suggests you're not very fit. The last test you did was a standing broad jump. This was a strength for you, Anna, as your result was 1.65 centimetres. And the average range for a female is in between 1.55 to 1.46 centimetres, which shows that you got above average, which is very well done. This suggests that you have a very good power, which is needed in netball for many things. To jump up very high, you need that power to reach the balls. To sprint, you also need power. You also need power behind when passing the balls, which is very good. Suggests that you're very fit in this aspect, and that you have a very good in this component of power.
Thank you.
Thank you.